Last month, Redmi launched the Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max in India, and while the addition of the Note 9 Pro Max was definitely a surprise, more surprising was the fact that Redmi Note 9 did not launch alongside these two phones. Now, we do know that the Redmi Note 9 is indeed launching soon, but it cannot be said when. Today, the Redmi Note 9 was listed on a Chinese certification agency, and this listing revealed the design of the phone as well as the major specifications of it. Talking about the design first, the Redmi Note 9 looks similar to the Redmi Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max except for a couple of changes. Yes, it has the same square camera setup design on the rear and a punch hole design on the front, but the fingerprint scanner is placed on the back instead of on the side, and the punch hole cutout is on the top left instead of in the center. Another noticeable design change is the red power button. So yes, these are the only differences between the Note 9 and Note 9 Pro when it comes to the design. Now coming to the specifications, the Redmi Note 9 has a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen, which is slightly smaller than the 6.67-inch display on the Note 9 Pro. There are quad cameras on the back, and while we don't have the information about each camera, we do know that there is a 48 megapixel primary camera. On the front, there is a 13 megapixel camera for selfies. Just like the Redmi Note 9 Pro series, the Note 9 has a big battery as well. It has a 5000 mAh battery, and there are some sources according to which the phone has 22.5 watt fast charging support. Finally, talking about the SoC that would be powering this phone, the SoC has an octa-core CPU clocked at up to 2 GHz. Now the name of the SoC is still a mystery, but one thing that we know is that this SoC does not support 5G. Now there are some rumors of the SoC being MediaTek Helio G80 or the Helio P75, but that is something which is not confirmed yet. So looking at these specifications, it looks like the Redmi Note 9 would compete with the Realme Narzo 10 if it comes to the Indian market, because the Realme Narzo 10 is coming at a price between 10 to 12,000 rupees. And that is the price range in which the Redmi Note 9 would launch in case it launches in India. Anyways, what do you think of the Redmi Note 9's specifications, and what do you think should be the price of this phone? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.